Welcome to Softaken NSF Conversion Suite, your trusted partner for effortless and reliable NSF file conversion. NSF files store everything: emails, contacts, calendar entries, to-do lists, journals, and more. Convert NSF files into multiple popular formats, including PST, TGZ, EML, MSG, and MBOX. With a clean and intuitive interface, converting your data is just a few clicks away. Step 1. Download and install the software on any Windows operating system, then launch it. Software available in simple user interiors as shown below. Here you can select multiple files or folder. Software will show you files preview and then click Next button. Step 2. Choose either single or multiple NSF files, or upload an entire folder. View the file preview and click Next. Step 3. Choose Date filter, naming option and destination path where you want to save your converted files. Choose and click on Convert Now button to process. If you want to import NSF files into online email, client like Gmail, G Suite, then you need to choose IMAP option. Step 4, here you can connect your server with your account and import all NSF files into any IMAP server. That's it! Your NSF files are now converted safely and accurately, ready to be accessed anytime, anywhere. Need help? Our expert team is here to support you. Just drop us an email at support@softaken.com. Thanks for watching.